Hi, my name is Naoko Takei Moore. Welcome to my shop Toiro in West Hollywood. So I started my business in 2008. Started just doing the online shop, importing Donabe and shipping out of my home. But long story short, I opened a brick and mortar shop here in West Hollywood in 2017. So Donabe literally means clay pot in Japanese. Donabe's do means clay, and nabe means pot. It's really close to everybody's heart and really symbolizes our food culture in Japan. So we normally ask the customer, like, what's your main purpose of using donabe? We often suggest the classic style donabe, especially in Japanese culture. Almost every household has at least one classic style donabe. Great for just doing everyday cooking, hot pot, soup, stew. Of course, you can cook rice. And donabe is oven safe, so it's multi-purpose and versatile. And I often say, like, you don't have to worry about like making so much effort cooking with donabe. Just let the donabe do the work, because once you put the ingredients and once donabe gets heated, kind of literally breathes during cooking because it's porous, so it slowly breathes in and out, and then distribute the heat really evenly. And then if you're making stew, after you turn off the heat, it cools down so slowly. That's when all the umami flavors develop. So donabe do the work for you. So we have all the essentials you can use for building your like a donabe dish. If you want to do like something very quick, you can do like just make the simple dashi with kombu and cook, like a shabu-shabu style. This is a great dipping sauce. It's made with soy sauce and 3 different kinds of citruses from Japan. Also, something unique is we have different kinds of soy sauces. If you want to opt for like a gluten-free, we have the really nice aged tamari soy sauce by the 9th generation producer. And this one is a smoked soy sauce. It's smoked with sakura or Japanese cherry blossom smoked chips. So the slow heating process and the steady heating, these are the components really essential for making a premium quality rice. And so when the rice is cooked in donabe, a lot of people are so surprised how, first of all, the rice comes out so shiny, and also you can really taste each grain. It tastes kind of naturally sweet and nicely chewy outside. And it just tastes really amazing.